In this video, I'll show you how to clone and modify a Quizlet task. To do this, you're going to need a Quizlet account. So if you don't have one already, create an account and log into Quizlet. So I'm at Unit 1 Words and Parts of Speech of my course Ypsilanti College's Introduction to Classical Tibetan. This unit has a Quizlet exercises task. To see the details for this task, I'm going to need to clone it. The key detail is the identifier number. If I copy that number and enter quizlet.com/ and that number into my browser, I'll pull up the vocabulary set. Here it is, Classical Tibetan Online, Unit 1. Now this is great. I can use this vocabulary set in my course, but there are two disadvantages to doing so. The first is that I can't change the vocabulary. I can't add or remove words, I can't change the translations, and so on. The second disadvantage is that I can't track the progress of my students. To overcome these disadvantages, I'll need to create my own class in Quizlet and then copy this vocabulary set into my class. So I'll go to my Quizlet page and I'll click on Create a Class. I'll enter the name of the class and create class. Now I've got my class, but it doesn't have any sets yet. I'll go back to the original vocabulary set and I'll go to this leftmost icon which says copy and click on that. This creates a new study set which copies the original set. In order to distinguish the two sets, I'll just change the first term definition from Samantabhadra to Samibhadra. And I'll change the title of the set to Ypsilanti College's Classical Tibetan Online, Unit 1, and then click on Create. Having created the new study set, I should add it to my course by pressing the plus button. Okay, so now I've copied a vocabulary set and added it to my course. So now I'll go up to the URL bar and copy the URL. I'll put it into the identifier field and remove everything but the number. Now I click on Clone Node. Now I'll remove the original Quizlet exercises. Remove. And move this one up. And save. So now if I go down to Quizlet exercises, I'll see that the first word is translated as Samibhadra, so it's got my exercise set instead of the original one.